the crypto market right now? It's a bloodbath. Fear, doubt, uncertainty, it's everywhere. And Caspa? Man, Caspa has taken a real beating. From its peak in August 2024, it's down over 65%. That kind of drop shakes even the most seasoned investors. People are panicking. Selling off. Jumping ship. But here's the twist, while most are running for cover, the biggest players in the Caspa ecosystem, the whales, the institutions, the OGs, they're not just holding. They're buying. Aggressively. Relentlessly. And the question is, what do they know that the rest of the market doesn't? Let's dig in. Recent data from analysts over at Caspa report uncovered something fascinating. They analyzed the top 10% of Caspa wallets, and we're talking serious heavyweights here, and discovered that for the past 3 months, these wallets haven't been shrinking. They've been growing. Not passively either. Actively, consistently stacking more and more Caspa. Now think about that. While the price was crashing, consolidating, flirting with new lows, the largest holders didn't flinch. In fact, their share of the total supply has gone up. That's not just holding. That's accumulation. And it's not just from natural token emissions either, these wallets are buying more than what's being introduced into the ecosystem. That's strategic. That's calculated. So why are they doing it? One possible explanation is something seasoned investors know well, dollar cost averaging. DCA means buying a fixed dollar amount of an asset at regular intervals, regardless of its current price. So when the price dips, you get more for your money. If that's what these whales are doing, it makes sense that their holdings grow faster during downturns. Simple, smart investing. But the Caspa report suggests there's something even deeper going on here. Something beyond just strategy, a shift in mindset. Instead of thinking about how much their Caspa is worth in dollars, these whales are thinking in Caspa. They're asking, how much of this asset do I own? Not, what's my dollar balance? That's a big mental leap. It signals real belief. It means they see Caspa not just as a speculative asset, but as something more, a potential new form of money. A store of value in its own right. And that shift, it changes how you operate. It's not about cashing out next month. It's about building for years to come. For 3 months straight, these big wallets have been piling in. Buying more Caspa. Every single day. Completely unfazed by fear and market noise. Meanwhile, retail investors are panic selling. And here's why this matters so much for you. Basic economics, when big players buy and don't sell, they're reducing the available supply. That creates scarcity. And when demand eventually returns, and it always does, that scarcity can launch the price like a spring wound tight. Less supply, more demand, bigger moves. It's not magic. It's market math. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. The report highlights one wallet in particular, the second largest in the entire network. This isn't just another whale. It's a leviathan. And its rate of accumulation is wild. It's buying so much, so fast, that it's literally skewing the overall network distribution. That's how intense this accumulation is. One wallet. Shifting the entire landscape. This isn't some random fluke. This is intentional. This is someone with serious conviction, making serious moves. And if they're going this hard in a down market, what do they see coming? What are they positioning for? The Caspa report team believes they have the answer. After diving deep into the numbers, they came to a bold conclusion: Caspa might not just be another blockchain project. It could be a game-changing monetary system. A platform with the power to reshape how value moves around the world. Fast, secure, decentralized, and scalable. Built on tech that solves the blockchain trilemma. Something giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum have struggled with. Now, sure, that might sound like hype. But here's what can't be ignored: the people with the most to lose, the ones with the deepest insight and the sharpest instincts, are putting their money where their mouth is. They're not waiting for media buzz or retail FOMO. They're buying now. Quietly. Steadily. Intentionally. So what do they know? Maybe they've got a line on upcoming development. Maybe they know about pending partnerships, roadmap milestones, or a layer of adoption we haven't seen yet. Or maybe, they just understand what this tech is capable of becoming long-term. Either way, while most investors are trapped in fear, watching red candles, the whales are stacking. Day after day. Coin after coin. And that leaves you with a choice. Do you follow the panic, or take a step back and consider what the biggest players are doing behind the scenes? Are they just lucky? Or are they seeing a bigger picture? One you haven't considered yet? Thanks for joining me for this deep dive into what's really happening behind the Caspa charts. If this gave you something to think about, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense crypto insights, and turn on notifications so you never miss a beat. And remember, this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Crypto is risky. Always do your own research. Consult a financial advisor before making any decisions. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Stay smart, stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next one.